Hello everyone, Ankit here, and in this video we will discuss conditional statements in C. Okay, so outline for this video is if statements and if else if statements, and we will then after we will create a program to check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, let's start with if statement. Okay, so syntax for if statement is there are if we need to write if, and in parentheses we will write a expression, and if the expression is true, then this statement is executed. Okay, then first statement is executed. But if statement is not true, means this statement is false, then else expression written in else this that is executed. Okay, okay, let's come with the if else if statement. Okay, if else if statement is, it is used to check multiple conditions. For example, we need to write if, and we will give a simple expression, first expression. Okay, and if this expression is true, then this statement in block 1 is executed. But if we have to give multiple conditions. Okay, so if first expression is true or not, doesn't matter. If second expression is true, then statement in block 2 is executed. But if both are false, then statement in block 3 is will executed. Okay, which means else statement is executed. So let's give a look to these both. Okay, and practically we will discuss example of these statements. So just move to our compiler, Dev C++ software, and where we will create a program to check either either a person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, let's start and just click Control N. So new program, just write preprocessor directives, include stdio.stdio.h. Okay, and just write main function. So int main, int is a return type. Okay, int main, and in parentheses nothing is here, and just declare two variables. Int, it is the data type. Okay, int first age, and the second is to check either no just age. Okay, and just write printf, take a input, just write enter the age, enter the age of person. Okay, and we'll store this value in, we'll store this integer type value in age, percent age. Okay, but if someone enters age in point decimals, then just declare this with float. Okay, and here just write f. Now just we will use if statement. Okay, if age is greater than or equal than, just age, if age is equal than 18, then printf equal than, greater than or equal than, age is greater than or equal than 18, then printf. Okay, in printf we will execute our first statement, person are eligible to vote. Okay, and but if age is not equal to or greater than 80, then else, just write else, and write here printf, and person is not eligible to vote. Okay, just write here return 0. Just save this program So we'll save this program in the name of age.c. okay, and press F11 or this button to compile and run. Our program is compiling, just wait for some few seconds. And here into the age of person I'm entering 15. Okay, person is not eligible to vote. Okay, and just here 2, this is 2. And now again we will running this program, and here I am entering the age above 20. okay, so 25. 25 person are eligible to vote. okay, so our program is running successfully. okay, but if we are going to use if with else if statement, so just here erase this. okay, and just add one more expression, else if. So here we are going to write age is greater than 18. okay, then we will write printf person is eligible to vote. By the way, this program is not correct. okay, but for your knowledge I am just running this program. okay, so enter the age of person I'm entering 25. person are eligible to vote. Here our both statement is correct. So this is running successfully. But if here we will enter equal to just two statement. okay, just two statements. Then if we run our program, for example, if 18, then person are eligible to vote. So first statement is running because our statement person are. Here we are using are, but in next statement we are using is. okay, so I'm entering is 25. So you can see this is the second statement, because just give a look to here. okay, in here person is eligible to vote, so our statement is person is eligible to vote. So this is our basically if else if statement. okay, so in next video we will discuss about a switch case. So like and share this video, and till next video, all the best.